everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send bulk personalized emails in Outlook using the mail merge. If you ever need to send the same email to multiple people like clients, students or team members but still want it to feel personal, then this video is for you. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to send hundreds of customized emails in just a few clicks. So let's get started. But before we jump into the steps, let me quickly explain what Mail Merge is. Mail Merge is a feature in Microsoft Word that allows you to write one email template, connect it to a list of contacts like Excel, and automatically insert personalized details like name or company and send individual emails to each person using Outlook. Instead of writing 100 emails manually, you just write one and Word or Outlook does the rest. Now let's see how to do it step by step. But first we need to prepare your contact list, and for that open the Excel. I already created. Here I can show you how to create the contact list, the email address and the name. In the email address, the email you want to share, just mention here, and the names. Make sure the first row has a column headings like email address and name, and email addresses are correct and there are no empty rows. So just save the file, and this Excel sheet will be used to personalize your emails. Now open your Word and type your email. Now click on the Start Mail Merge and then select Step by Step Mail Merge option. Choose the email messages and continue with Start Document. Continue with the Select Recipient. Now select the Excel file that we created. Click OK. Now it will show you the data, name and the email address. Click OK. Now continue with write your email messages. Since we already written our email, we do not need to edit it. Simply click on preview your email messages. The recipient name 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, just click on the complete the merge. Now our email merge process is complete. We can insert merge field by click on the insert merge field, and we use email address or name. Select name. Now you see the call or handling. The name field will insert the recipient specific name, and we can also choose the email address field if needed. Now we will open Outlook. Click on Work Offline. The ID configured in Outlook is used by default to send emails. Open the Word and next click on the Finish and Merge. Send email messages. Click on this option. And in the subject field, we will enter the test. For the email format, we can choose either the HTML or plain text, and here I continue with the HTML. One disadvantage of this feature is that we cannot send attachments along with the emails. Now select the all records or a specific range such as the 1 to 5. In this case, we will choose all and then click OK. We can now verify in Outlook. Go to the Outlook. Just go to the Outbox. Here you can see the emails have initiated to be sent. Once Outlook connects to the internet, it will automatically share all the emails. Remember, when you do this, make sure your Outlook is open and in offline mode. If we just remove the work offline, the message will send. Here you can see the emails will be shared successfully. Before sending bulk emails, keep these things in mind. Don't send too many emails at once and make sure Outlook is properly configured. always double check emails and send a test email to yourself first. This will help avoid mistakes. And that's how you can send bulk personal email using mail merge in Outlook. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Also comment below if you have any question. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.